In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Mail. First, open your browser and go to Notion.com. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. When the sign-in options appear, choose the provider you prefer. You'll see choices for Google, Apple, and Microsoft. For this walkthrough, select Google. Pick the Google account you want to use and continue. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them so the sign-in window can open. Once you're in Notion, locate Notion Mail from the app switcher or your sidebar and open it. If you're prompted again with sign-in options, that's normal for first-time setup. Choose Continue with Google, then follow the standard Google sign-in flow. Click Continue whenever you're asked to confirm. You'll see a Connect to Google prompt. Approve it so Notion Mail can access your mailbox. Finish by confirming Continue one more time. These confirmations simply grant the permissions needed to sync your mail. After the connection completes, head back to your Notion homepage, then open Notion Mail again to load your inbox with the new connection. Let's get oriented. On the left sidebar, you'll find Inbox, All Mail, and Sent. Inbox shows new and important messages that need your attention. All Mail is the complete feed of everything that's been synced, which is especially helpful when you want a broader view or to find something you archived. Sent shows messages you've already sent from Notion Mail or your connected account. To write a message, click Compose in the top left. A new draft opens where you can add recipients, a clear subject line, and your message. Keep your text concise and consider formatting for readability. Notion Mail autosaves as you type, so you won't lose your work if you navigate away. When you're ready, click Send. In All Mail and Inbox, click any message to open it in the reading pane. Use the toolbar inside the message to reply, reply all, or forward. If a conversation includes multiple messages, you can expand the thread to see context. From the same view, you can archive items you're finished with to keep inbox focused, or move back to All Mail to review everything at once. The search bar at the top helps you quickly find messages by keyword or sender, and filters let you narrow results when your mailbox is large. That's it. Your Notion Mail is connected, your inbox is organized, and you're ready to compose, read, and manage email all in one place.